Problem number 39, 39th problem. In this, a cylinder of 40 millimeter diameter, height 50 mm, and at 25 degree it is inclined. That cut section is inclined from the axis at an angle of 60 degree. With the axis it is 60 degree, and this is the cut section. This part is the development part, and this part is removed, that we have to construct. See here, 40 meter diameter, 40 mm diameter cylinder I have drawn, and one more line I have to draw here. Horizontal line. So now 40 mm diameter is there, 40 millimeter diameter. This 40 mm diameter has been divided by 45 degree each part. 8 part I have divided. So total 8 parts are there. Now we'll name it AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, EE1, FF1, GG1, H1, and this is OO1. Right, this is how I have divided the cylinder, and height is having 50 millimeter, and at 25 that is bisect the axis and incline at an angle of 60 degree to the axis. From axis you have to take 60 degree, not with horizontal. From axis you have to take 60 degree, and it is bisecting the total axis 50 mm height. Height is divided by 225. At 25 height, 60 degree will passing. That is the cut section, and below part is retained, above part will be removed. Now we'll name it first. This is A1 dash, this is B1 dash, H1 dash into bracket, and this is C1 dash into bracket, G1 dash, and this is C1 D1 dash, D1 dash, F1 dash, and this is E1 dash, and this part, this is called as O1 dash, this is O dash. So here A dash, B dash, H dash, C dash, G dash, D dash, F dash, and E dash. Now we'll number it. Right, first we'll number it. First, there is no cut top and bottom faces, so directly there is a cut on this section. So AA1 will go 1, BB1, this is the BB1 line, then CC1 3, DD1 4, EE1 5, FF1 6. On the other side I am writing FF1, GG1 7, HH1 8. Total 8 number will be there. Now I will draw horizontal lines from each of the lines, each of the point parallel to this I have to draw. We'll draw horizontal line. And one more line is left. Right, now 5 into D, that is total 40 mm diameter is there. 5 into D will get total length of 125. To take the distance from here to here, 125.66, around 127 you can take, and then divide number of parts. I have made 8 here. Because of that, if you are making 12, you can divide it by 12. Now I have made it 8 part. So 125.6 divided by 8 parts, 15.7. Each part is having 15.7. In between 15 and 16 you can take this point. In between 15 and 16, total one part is 15.7. Total is 125 and 6 is this part. Right. Now we'll make it numbering. On A1, 1 is there. First we'll write the names A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G1, H1, A1 for top A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A. Right. Now there is no cut on top and bottom face, so directly draw horizontal lines from each points. Directly draw horizontal lines from each points. Now on A1, 1 first point will get, second point on BB1, right, second point, third point on CC1, fourth point on DD1, fifth point on EE1, next sixth point on FF1, seventh point on GG1, HGG1, seventh point, eighth point on HH1. So now we got all the points. We'll join all the points with curve. Right. We'll join all the points with curve. Right. And border line will make it dark. Only border lines. No other lines, because these lines are construction lines and this is the development. So this part will be removed from the cylinder. Only this part is written. Don't make these lines dark in the cylinder, because in cylinder will not get any edges.